Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we'll be replacing the clutch cable because a few days ago mine just broken and I need to replace. From what I saw, usually this is plastic and just usually it breaks. I'm not sure what happens to mine. I just know that it breaks on the pedal. So I bought a new part. This part seems to be a good quality one. So the cable is this one right here that goes inside here and goes to the pedal and then goes straight right here. It have a support. Let me see if I can show. And this should be here. I'm really sorry not to show you the connection in the pedal, but believe me, the access is impossible to film. You don't have light and you don't even have enough room to place the camera. But I found a piece right here that I can demonstrate. So the cable comes up to the top and is like, when you press the pedal, it have a metal piece that makes like this and you have to connect like this. It's really important to lock this nut right here after you finish the adjustment. I hope this video can help you, and take a look at my other videos if you want, if you are interested to see what I'm doing. And if you are not a subscriber, please just subscribe, click the thumbs up, and until the next video, see you soon, stay tuned, thanks for watching.